How to fix iPhone call volume is too low after iOS update. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. The very first thing you want to do is toggle on for the option of airplane mode. Now wait for minimum 60 seconds and then toggle it off. Now you can go and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, scroll down. Open the option accessibility. Head towards the option of touch. Scroll down. You will find the option of call audio routing. Open it. Set it to automatic. Now head back. Again head back. Scroll down. Go to the option audio and visual. Toggle off for this option of phone noise cancellation. Now head back to the main page of settings. Scroll down. Go to the option face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Scroll down. You will find the option of attention aware features. Toggle off for this option. Now head back to the main page of settings. Go to the option sound and haptics. At the top you will find this slider. Use the full volume. Just slide to the right. Likewise, open this option of ringtone. Change the ringtone. You can use any of the ringtone given over here. Applying these solutions, your problem is definitely going to be fixed. So this is how you can fix iPhone call volume is too low after iOS update. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.